This is a video to show you the steps for setting up add-on domains to help with the transfer process. So I've already logged into your cPanel. So the first thing we're going to need to do is find domains. Here we go. We're going to do an add-on domain. And so on here, all you're doing is creating the web space for it. So the next one on your list was Fleet Engineering. So we're going to just type that in. And this is just telling you that in the public FTML file, or folder, there's going to be a new folder called this. As far as a password goes, I'm just going to do a password generator. Both. I was going to do that that I can write it down really quick. I don't know if you will need to reference this in the future, but it would probably be a good idea to keep a copy. Then click Add Domain. Okay, so now we can go back and we'll go home. We're going to scroll down here to MySQL databases. So you can see this is the one that I created for the Mullen Road site that I transferred over. So I'm just going to do this. Oops. Okay, we've created the database called Fleet that you can see right here. Now we need to create a user, and you can make the user be the same as the database name. You'll see that's the case here. It's going to need another password. So we'll just do the password generator. Okay. So after you've copied that one, we want to use that password, and we want to create the user. Alright, so we've created the user. One final step is we have to add the user to the database. You'll see that there's still no user attached here. So we are going to attach the Fleet user to the Fleet database, and you can see all these other ones you can choose. We're going to give them all privileges and make changes. Now when we go back, there's a user attached to that. This information here, the username and passwords and the database name, those I will need to be able to transfer the Joomla sites. So that step needs to be repeated for every Joomla website. For non-Joomla websites, just create the add-on domain and don't do the database process at this point.